I'm gonna talk this time on video instead of, I don't want to keep doing air. If you're right, let me start this shit again. The video is going to be about using bands as a progression to help you start your journey into pull-ups. You might be basic at this and can't pull yourself up to the bar yet. Well, using bands is a great way to help you progress. This is my funny idiot mate Michelle, and she's going to be showing you how to use these resistant bands, how to put the band around the bar, because a lot of people don't know how to put the band around the bar, and sometimes they're even embarrassed to ask people how to use the band. Now, I've had a lot of people down here come by me, and because there's not that many people go by, I can show them how to do it, and it's not embarrassing. But if you're in a gym or there's lots of people around, sometimes you don't want to ask, you don't want to seem like you're stupid, so watch and learn how you put the band over the bar, like this. So this is how you put the band on top of the bar. You put the first bit over like that, you open the bit that's nearest to you, and you pull the other part through the band, and boom, it locks it at the top like that. And that's how you put the band on top of the bar. And this is how you put yourself into the band. Now, when you put your foot in the band like that, you have to make sure that it's in the middle of your foot, because if it's not, and you start pulling yourself up and you move your feet, you got to keep your feet still. If you move your feet like this to the front, it'll come up and whip your ass. If you move it like this and it comes up at the front, oh yeah, it's going straight in your face. So keep your feet as still as possible. Once you've got it like that, steady yourself, and then you can pull up. And make sure when you take it out, 1 foot at a time like Michelle's just doing, and hold it there so that you don't get whipped in the face or you don't get whipped in your ass, because it hurts. Believe you me, I know.
You've done it.
Use the band, get used to it, max out as many reps as you can. Now, if you can only do 3 with a thick band, then that's your starting point. Then you want to do probably 4 sets or 5 sets of 1 pull-up, but you hold it at the top. Then you come down as slowly as possible, because that's going to help you gain strength. You could also do pyramids, which is a good way of building strength, because whatever your maximum pull-up is, you then hold it at the top, you come down, then you give yourself good rest, minute, 2, 3, however long it is. The older you are, the more rest you probably will need. If you're going to do 5 sets and you start off with 5 reps, then you'd come down, you'd rest, and then you'd do 4, then you do 3, then you do 2, then you do 1. Then, you know, you're doing a pyramid down. Again, it will help you build strength.